Hi, I'm Pillar. Today I will show you our UV LED water sterilizer. It's well known that bacteria and viruses in water can cause harm to the human body, such as E. coli and Salmonella, the most notorious of which is chlorella, which still affects 4 million people around the world and kills 10,000 people every year. However, traditional filtration equipment only filters most bacteria and viruses and leaves them in the filter material but cannot directly kill the bacteria and viruses. It poses certain safety risks. At this time, UV disinfection is necessary to ensure the safety of our drinking water or kitchen water. At first, the shell of our product is made of American Standard 304 stainless steel, and its internal materials comply with Europe Rose Environmental Certification, REACH certification, food grade for water-related parts, and also passed the US FDA certification. While ensuring environmental protection and safety, it is also equipped with a Korea PW chip with 9 UVC lamp beads for efficient disinfection, with a designed flow rate of 2 to 3 liters per minute, operating pressure of 3 to 5 kg, a sterilization rate of up to 99.9%, a lamp bead life of up to 2,000 hours. The flow switch can be used 100,000 times to ensure normal use for 8 years. And the electrical power is 8 watts, which is very energy saving and durable. On the other hand, you can see that compared with traditional UV sterilizers, our UV LED sterilizer has less than half the value under the same water pressure, flow rate, and sterilization rate. This means that it can be applied in more scenarios and is more convenient for us to installation. Secondly, traditional UV sterilizers use glass lamps, which are easily crashed and may be damaged during long-distance transportation. Our products use LED lamp beads, which do not contain mercury, so the water will not have odor or safety hazard. UV LED water sterilizer is very compact in size, with a length of only 179 mm and a diameter of 38 mm. It comes with a 30 cm power cord. You only need to connect the hose. Connect the power supply and plug in. Then it's ready to work. In addition, it's also equipped with fault light for troubleshooting. The blue light is always on when it's working normally. When a fault occurs, the red light will flash. That's all the content of this video. Thanks for watching. Welcome to subscribe our channel. I'm looking forward to cooperating with you. See ya!